Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Glide for building a mobile app from Sheets step by step clearly. To register with Glide for building a mobile app from Sheets, begin by navigating to the Glide website. On the home page, look for the Sign Up button and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Next, check your email for a verification message from Glide. Open the email and click on the provided verification link. Once your email is verified, you may be redirected back to the Glide website. Now, create a password for your account by entering it in the designated field. Re-enter the password to confirm it and then click on the Create Account button. After the account creation, you will be taken to the Glide dashboard. Here, you can start a new project by selecting the New Project option. Choose whether to start from a Google Sheet or a template. If you choose to start from a Google Sheet, click on the From Google Sheets option. You may be prompted to connect your Google account. Select your Google account and grant Glide the necessary permissions. Once your Google Sheets are connected, choose the specific sheet you want to use. After selecting the sheet, Glide will generate a mobile app based on your data. Take a moment to explore the interface and familiarize yourself with the tools available. You can customize your app's design and features according to your preferences. After making your adjustments, save your changes regularly. When you're ready, you can preview your app on different devices. Once you're satisfied with your app, look for the option to publish it. Follow the prompts to finalize the publishing process. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Glide and started building your mobile app from Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.